Welcome to the 10-question English spelling quiz. For each question, select the correct spelling of the spoken word. Ribbon, ribbon. Ribbon, R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Turkey, turkey. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Hazard, hazard. Hazard, H-A-Z-A-R-D, hazard. Backpack, backpack. Backpack, B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K, backpack. Dolphin, dolphin. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Saddle, saddle. Saddle, S-A-D-D-L-E, saddle. Marker, marker. Marker, M-A-R-K-E-R, marker. Plastic, plastic. Plastic, P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. Jogger, jogger. Jogger, J-O-G-G-E-R, jogger. Sneeze, sneeze. Sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze. Thank you for watching.